Hi guys, good morning. Rodel for Liz here from Nognog.com, and for today, it's our third day here in Davao City, and we'll be starting our day with an event in SM Lanang. For today, it's going to be travel fair, Malagos, chocolate factory, and a lot more. So I hope that you would not forget to subscribe, press the thumbs up button of this video if you love this video. So let's go. Let's head on to our first event for today. The mall is still not yet open. It's just 9:30 in the morning, and we are already here to witness the opening ceremony of the second Regional Travel Fair 2018, of course, here at SM Lanang. So everyone is already preparing at the back. We'll be covering this event for today. This is our first activity. So yeah, join me.
Hero is a mascot of the second travel fair, the first and second regional travel fair. So on behalf of Secretary Bernadette Romulo Puyat, I would like to thank all of you for inviting us to be part of the second regional travel fair, and take this opportunity to congratulate the Tourism Promotions Board and all of our regional offices and attached agencies for coming together.
Ceremony of the second Regional Travel Fair 2018 here at SM Lanang is already done. This area will now be open to the public. Of course, if you are planning to travel to different destinations, especially here in Mindanao and Visayas, this is your chance to visit, of course, Regional Travel Fair 2018. Kasi nga, they're offering discounts and of course different packages that is not just affordable but also amazing and awesome to visit. There are a lot of the destinations that I haven't visited, that I haven't been to here in the Philippines, so I am really eager to try and go around the area and get to know the country, get to know the Philippines more by visiting the different destinations. Guys, after traveling for an hour, coming from SM Lanang, now we're here in Malagos Garden Resort. That's actually 38 kilometers away. It's going to be a whole day of activity. So, but first we're going to have a buffet because it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Medyo malayo pa guys yung restaurant na pupuntahan natin. Pero for today, we'll be having a buffet before going around Malagos. I've been here, it's my second time coming here at Malagos. The first one was like 2 years ago or maybe last year. I forgot about it already. And I actually forgot to vlog about it as well. So, buffet lunch for today. Kita ba? so tapos na tayong mag-buffet lunch dito sa Malagos. And right now, we are heading to a bird show happening just nearby the restaurant. So actually, nag-start na siya. Narinig niyo yun. I think hindi lang siya bird show, it's an animal show in general. So, it is located here at Malagos Garden Resort.
Hindi magpapatalo! Si Nigel!
That was just a fun animal show here at Malagos. And right now, yung mga farm animals, they've been released and they've been given a chance for all the audience to interact with them. So we got here goats, we got here ducks, goats, rabbits, parrots, and other farm animals. So yeah, there's a fee if you wanted to feed them. Like for the goats, you can pay 20 pesos for the milk and 10 pesos for the rabbit. Yeah, and other animals. So enjoy this. Rabbit! So it's time for now to go to our next venue for today. Okay guys, so next destination is a visit at Malagos Chocolate Museum. So for today we'll be witnessing how chocolate is being created here in Malagos, and of course first-hand experience on how to do it.
Na natin lalagyan dito ng lalagyan. And then yung remaining niya, siguro mga 50% na lang, saka na ulit bubuhusan ninyo. Okay, napupuno na yan. Pag napupuno na yan, kailangan i-migil natin ganyan, itatapatin ng ganyan para hindi maghahalo dyan sa loob. So para wala siyang para talagang solid na solid siya. Gaganyanin na lang natin, di ba?
Okay guys, so we're here now sa Chocolate Factory here at Malagos. So for today we'll be doing our very own chocolate. So we got
Yes, okay.
and yeah, we're just going to need some of the materials that what we need are the following. These are the molders. These are for the condiments, and of course this is a cup for the chocolates. All the ingredients, other ingredients are here. It's all available. So we got here spearmint, rosemary, mint leaves, dried mango, and durian candy. So there's a lot of choices. So iba-ibang flavor for each chocolate would be also awesome. I picked Roxas dried cranberry. We got here tree, durian, and mango. Okay guys, tapos na tayong maggawa ng chocolate, our very own chocolate of course. And we'll just wait for 20 minutes before we go back and pick up our chocolates. Guys, yun naman, magtutour tayo here sa museum. It's our tour guide.
So first of all is ito po yung slideshow ng farm po. Farm po ng Malagos po is 24 hectares po siya. So this one naman po is 65% dark chocolate po na pinakain po siya nung grand opening po ng Malagos Garden Museum. So may awards na din po sila from sa Paris, France na acknowledge po sila sa top 50 beans po worldwide. So behind the production po ng chocolate po, sila po ang food tech and chemist po dito. So dito po si Ma'am Jenna, and natanggap na din po sila ng awards from Germany, London, and Singapore, and may local awards din po sila sa Manila. So dito po tayo sa cacao belt. So dito lang po tumutubo si cacao 20 degrees from north and south. So ito po yung top 8 producers ng cacao. So sa the green one. So mostly from Africa. So baka nagtataka kayo, bakit si Philippines walang green light? So because it's wala pang 1% yung naiambag natin sa market. That's why di put up itong museum para ma-inspire yung mga tao na magtanim ng cacao. But we have 3 varieties of cacao po, which is the Criollo, Forastero, and Trinitario. Si Criollo po yung pinakamasarap sa lahat. Well, naman po siya, weak lang yung resistance niya. Ito naman po siya, hindi siya weak, pero hindi mo siya masarap. So that's why, i-crossbreed itong dalawa to, Trinitario. So para lang siyang father, mother, and daughter.
So one of my favorite places here in Malagos is this garden where everything has been pretty huge, like this lollipops, and got here chocolatey cups, and ice cream in there, cupcakes in there. There's a lot of things in here, and I like it. I'm enjoying this, So after our tour in the chocolate museum, we'll now go to the bird park for bird feed. Okay guys, just like the one that we did a few years back, we're back here at Malagos Bird Feeding Dome. So papakain kami ng mga birds. Let's go. Okay guys, so akit lang kami doon sa may bridge. Ayan, andun na. Papakain tayo ng mga birds. Okay guys, so naglobat yung yung battery ko ng camera. So right now, I'll be doing my vlog using my iPhone. Nandito kami ngayon sa ni Lola Durian House. So we'll be checking out yung parang factory ng mga Durian Delicacies. And of course, we'll be buying some pasalubong. Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa hapon ni Lola Durian Delicacies. So mamimili tayo ng mga pasalubong. So everything here is durian inspired. So guys, trinay ko yung yapa. Sarap.
It's like a durian overload. Majority of the products na you can buy in our store is, of course, it's durian made because Davao is durian, parang ganun. But we also offer other flavors such as mangosteen, mango, marang, mga Davao fruits din po because not all tourists like durian.
So guys, meron silang mascot. Ang pangalan niya si Duri. So, ito raw ang agabol na durian. Okay guys, last stop of today. We're here at the Roxas Market. Of course, dinner muna, then we'll go around later. while I am having my Gucci. Okay guys, finally back at the hotel. Gusto kami mag-dinner and it's already 9 o'clock. Sobrang aga ng call time namin tomorrow. We need to be up at around 6 o'clock and leave the hotel at 6:30 in the morning. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope that you enjoy watching my day 2 here in Davao City. Do not forget to subscribe, of course, and put a thumbs up to this video. Until next time guys, see ya! Okay guys, sobrang init. This is the second contingent here at Kadayawan Travel Dance Festival, and you know we still got 7 more plus 3 plus 4, 13. We got 13 so 11 tayo.